Second method is done by changing the pencils, changing from 2B to 4B to 8B, creating the lighter tones in front of the light by using pencils with lesser numbers. Now directly in front of the light, that is sun, light tone will be created. Changing the direction of the lines is a normal idea, but here it is very important that we keep the distance between the lines the same for all the three tones. But how much distance to keep or to touch the lines throughout is totally your choice. Changing pencils, colored pencils or lead pencils, pens is the basic idea. Now I have used for the dark tone 8B pencil, medium tone 6B pencil, and the lines which are seen very light I have used 2B. And if you feel that still the dark tone is not being really dark, then you can apply 9B and 10B pencils over it. It has to be darker than the medium tone, the dark tone itself. Now I am changing the direction of the lines which can be done, and I am also changing the number of the pencil. I have used here 2B pencil. Next I am using 6B, and this is the dark tone, so I have used 8B, but keeping the same distance between the lines all over the subject. I am not changing the distance between the lines here, and what I have kept is on the second ball is touching the lines throughout. So you can see the three tones being created by the three different pencils. Here is the 2B, then medium tone with 6B, and dark tone by 8B. The higher the number, the darker the pencil mark it will create. Now with the colored pencils, we will just create the three tones by changing the color of the pencils, not by changing the distance between the lines. This is what the second method is all about. So we can choose any distance. Like I have here in this third ball, I have chosen to maintain lot of distance between the lines, and this is the light tone right in front of the light and the dark tone just opposite the light, but the distance between the lines are same. Only the pencils are changing and three tones are being created. Medium tone I have done with the red pencil, light tone with blue, now the fourth ball. I have taken normal distance between the lines all over the subject, that is all over this object, a ball. I used pink color for the lighter tone, dark brown, maintaining the same distance between the lines, but just changing the color of the pencil. Red for the medium tone, maintaining the same distance between the lines. This is how the second method is used. There is no need to use a scale. Never use a scale, in fact. trying to merge the dark tone with the medium tone here, which is also important, which I'll show later. In fact, I'll explain it little later. This is important, to merge all the three tones inside each other. Now just opposite the light, the shadows will be created. Create shadows with practice. The shape of the shadow has to be observed, much to learn. We change the pens and pencils, but we do not change the distance between the lines, whatever the distance you choose to keep. So completes the second method.